One, two, three, go!
So over here we're doing Meet Your Maker. So tell us about your company.
Our company, V Nives, well, we were founded in Washington State. Our factory sits in Puyallup, Washington, and like I said before, we have a culmination of efforts for manufacturing around the world, including Taiwan, China, and the great USA. We do import probably 95% of our products right now, but we are building our US-made line, and we're building our US factory up very slowly, so that at some point we imagine it would be about 25% of our product line US made.
Okay. Now you were going to show me something here that is just very, very practical.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. In fact, you know what I'll do? You can see it there, but let me go ahead and grab a brand new one here so we can unbox it and unveil it for you. So I'm one of those guys that when I go to a steakhouse, I'm pulling out my pocket knife, right? But it looks a little barbaric, and it's big, and sometimes it makes people at the next table uneasy. So I invented this thing, which is a personal dining set. Not to mention, even if you've been in your truck somewhere and traveling, you get that chili dog on the road, you can't cut it with a plastic fork, right? It's just nasty. So I invented this little guy. I modeled the case after the iPhone 10. It's really comfortable to carry in your pocket. It's lightweight. So we're going to take this guy off. It shows you how to assemble it in this little card. You have a microfiber, you have a microfiber chamois here. And we'll use this just to set the piece on. And you take your G10 handles and screw it onto your VG10 Japanese steel blade. These are razor sharp. Then you have your fork here.
Well, you're not forking around, I can tell you that much.
If you got a knife, who gives a fork? Okay, so then you're going to screw that guy together. That's 4/16 stainless. And then check this out. These little guys, well, those are sharpening rods.
And those that is in the camera. That is a sharp. Oh my goodness!
System. Then you're going to put that there to protect your hand while you sharpen your steak knife and get it just razor ready for that $25 entree.
So just remember, use your knives, immediately sharpen them again before you put it back in your pocket.
Exactly.
That's how you keep them sharp.
And this is a product collaboration we're doing with Pineland Cutlery as well.
Excellent.
And those are the guys at Spartan. That's a separate brand that they have. It's Pineland for cutlery, and we're co-branding with them.
Very cool. All right, show us a little bit more, because there's a lot going on, and there's a whole side over there.
American made. These are made in Taiwan. Would you like to see some American made products?
You better believe it.
Well, let's see. Let's jump over here and we'll look at Mr. Tim Wegner's Adapt knife. We also do flashlights and survival kits and some stuff like that too, but we'll have these out for you. And these are going to come in some different color variations, okay? So you've got your Blaze or Hunter Orange G10, you've got your Ranger Green or OD Green G10, and then you have your classic black. And of course, on the back, you will see these wonderful paw prints here, the lion prints, and that is a titanium frame lock. 6AL4V, all constructed with Torx hardware, and the blade steel is S30V. And those are made in our Puyallup factory in Washington State.
Very good. Well, that's fantastic, and I just want to let everybody know you have your 2023 catalog available now. Limited quality for free.
Absolutely free.
That's right, everyone. They're free 99. Now, if they wanted to not only get a knife, but a catalog, how would they get a catalog?
They can either go to www.vnives, that's V and then knives without a K, Nives.com, vnives.com. You can visit us at Knife Life on Facebook or Instagram as well. Or you can call me, the owner, Mike Vellekamp, at 303-263-2468. That is my cell phone, and I talk to every customer.
And remember, you're there to talk about knives. You want to talk about anything else? Well, we'll leave that for another time.
We'll leave that for another time. Thank you, sir.
All right. Thank you so much, and have a nice day.
We will